Welcome to Sitaro Ka Safar, where we delve into the stars to guide you through life's journey. Today, let's uncover the astrological insights for Pisces for January 2025. We'll explore everything you need to know from finances to career, relationships, travel, and health. Stay with us throughout the month and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. If you're seeking personalized guidance, connect with us via WhatsApp. Let's dive in. Starting the year with Rahu in your first house, you're likely to feel uncertain about the direction of your finances. While January might not bring immediate gains, it is a great time to plan and align yourself with long term strategies. Jupiter in retrograde in your third house brings reflection, particularly regarding investments in communication or media related ventures. This month's planetary movements suggest focusing on stability and avoiding impulsive financial decisions. Use this time to revisit your long term goals rather than seeking instant returns. Patience and strategic thinking will pay off in the long run. Mars retrograde in your sixth house could bring delays and misunderstandings at work, especially during the second and third weeks of January. It's a time to avoid conflicts, be careful with how you express yourself, and maintain a cool headed approach. The Venus Saturn conjunction in your 12th house helps resolve past issues, bringing clarity if you've been struggling with workplace related concerns. For business owners, a careful approach is needed as Rahu in your first house could cause some disruptions in day to day operations. Focus on innovating and staying ahead of competitors rather than expanding too aggressively. Since your financial sector is under pressure this month, collaborations might provide better opportunities than individual ventures. Maintain diplomacy in your interactions and use retrograde periods to reflect and resolve ongoing issues rather than trying to launch new projects. There could be some minor friction in communication as Mars retrograde in your sixth house heightens tension and emotional responses. Focus on listening actively and understanding your partner's viewpoint rather than getting caught in a cycle of blame. It is a great month for introspection in relationships as Venus in your 12th house promotes emotional well being. Your social life may bring a surprise during the second half of January as Saturn in your 12th house helps ground emotional experiences. Be patient with love interest, clarity may come towards the end of the month. Practice patience and open communication in both your relationships and personal life. Avoid rushing into decisions, especially in emotional matters. This month brings mixed energies for students. Rahu in your first house may cause distractions or self doubt, but Jupiter's retrograde in third house pushes you to rethink your educational goals and seek clarity. Use this time wisely to reflect on past academic challenges and learn from them. Mars retrograde may affect your motivation in the second half of the month, so maintain your study routine. Consistency will be your ally. Focus on revisiting old lessons and consolidating knowledge rather than seeking new information. The travel sector looks active, but not without some delays. Rahu and Venus in your first and 12th house bring mixed results. You might be called for work related travel, but delays could impact your plans, especially in the second and third weeks of January. Focus on planning your travel with a flexible schedule to avoid frustration. Focus on essential travel plans and avoid committing to spontaneous leisure trips unless absolutely necessary. With Mars retrograde in your sixth house, you need to pay extra attention to health this month. Potential issues could relate to inflammation or mental stress, particularly when Mars squares with other planets in the first half of the month. It's a good time to establish a routine that includes both physical and mental exercises like yoga and meditation. The second half of January, as the moon moves into your 12th house, might make you feel more emotionally drained than usual. Ensure you get adequate rest and avoid overworking yourself. Incorporate mindfulness practices into your daily routine to help maintain both physical and emotional balance. That wraps up your Pisces horoscope for January 2025. Remember, astrology can guide your path, but your actions and choices shape your destiny. To receive a personalized analysis of your horoscope, feel free to contact us through WhatsApp. We hope this guidance helps you navigate your month ahead smoothly. For more insightful predictions and monthly updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Satara Safar. Stay blessed, and may the stars guide you towards a successful and harmonious month ahead.